See this like color, like coating? Then you better wipe it off because it's quite dirty. Well, it doesn't look good for one, but it's not good for your fingers. Because if your finger absorbs a lot of this chemical, then it's really bad for you. It's a little bit milky, right? So the way you keep it before you actually using it, that you just cut it. Sometimes you soak in the water and then you cut it inside the water, so that will absorb the water quickly, okay, and then it will last a little longer. But if, say for example, you find it in the market like this, but you want to use it tomorrow, but you want the flower open, right, instead of like closed, so you just add the warm water instead of cold water, so it will open a little faster. You can use mixture of flour and greens and then some other things, right? And then maybe this one is a little smaller, so structure wise you probably want to use the bigger things, for example like those guys, okay? So maybe you pick like 4 or 5 things like those, and then you can start with your shape, overall shape. Remember we talked about the woody one, how you maintain, you have to give it like a straight cut, okay? And then do a crust at the bottom. So once you soak that in the water, they will absorb faster. You can start from trying the bigger material first, and then you can go, once you have the big material, basically everything has its structure, and the outer material in between just can rely on those structures.
Can I ask a question? Why you don't pick the lily in the middle, instead you pick the green?
And remember, like the round design, there's no one face or two face. You see from all angles. So basically, you can basically put all the flower in all directions.